Trinamool Congress, or the TMC, is witnessing a steep decline in Meghalaya's Khasi and Jaintia hills, with its influence rapidly fading. Once considered a rising force in the state, the party now faces an existential crisis as its voters' base erodes. TMC Meghalaya President Charles Pingrobe has openly acknowledged the party's waning presence, admitting that its voters' share in the region has dwindled to near irrelevance. Asked about TMC's future, particularly in light of defections to Congress and other parties, Pingrobe was doubtful about the party's ability to sustain itself.
TMC is perceived as a Bengali party. Before the elections and after the elections, it's become worse. You will not get the support of the Khasi and Jaintia. And the Bengalis of it, they call it the Muslim party. I mean, this is feedback I've got. They should never say that. That should not be said in politics. Because politics, we are a secular country. But under those circumstances, for me to build a party, then who do I look to?